Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can change your snooze time on iPhone. So basically, if you're using the default alarm clock, the one like this over here where it says clock, if you use the default one of iPhone, you cannot change the snooze timer because iPhone does not allows you to change snooze timer. You have a snooze timer of 5 minutes, you cannot change it to 4, 5, 6. It's going to be 5 always. All right, I don't know why iPhone does not provide this feature, but this is the only way you don't have snooze timer. All right, and in order to do this using the default app, what you can do is go on edit over here and click on an alarm clock. Once you do that, over here where it says snooze, turn it off. Once you turn off your snooze, at the top click on save. Now what you can do is turn on multiple timer. So my first alarm is going to be in 12 a.m. If I don't wake up in this, I can set another alarm for 12:30. If I don't wake up in this, I need to set alarm for 1. Just like this, you can set custom timers with your snooze timers off, and basically after one alarm goes off, the other one will turn on and the other one will turn on. Just like this, you can set up snooze timer. It's actually not snooze, but this is the only way to go around it. But if you want to set up a snooze timer, then what you can do is close the clock, download another app called Alarm Clock for Me. You can download it from your app store for free. All right, and over here you need to download a secondary alarm, open it. So I like to use this alarm clock because it's easy. So click on OK, understand, and click on allow once. And over here basically okay, I understand, don't allow, ask app not to track. This is basic feature of it. And over here you can click on the plus icon over here and you can see where it says alarm. Click on alarm. Once you see alarm over here where it says snooze, you can click on snooze and you can set up a snooze timer over here. So I want a snooze timer for 10 minutes. I'm going to put 10 over here, and once I do that, make sure this snooze timer is turned on. Once it's on, go back and set yourself for alarm. Once you set yourself for alarm, click on save and click on OK, and an alarm for that time has been set with a 10-minute snooze timer. So that's basically how we guys can set up a snooze timer on iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Want to step? I'll see you guys next time. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day and peace out.